Yeah, this is Blessed Gospel Promotions, BGPevents. Yes, this is what our decoration. When we talk of decoration, we don't just talk of it, we do it, right? We do it. That money, the budget that you have, we can handle you according to what you want. But of course, good things are very somehow tricky. If you love something good like this, you need to incur some costs that will do you the very best. Yes, this is our decoration of today. Hope you like what you're seeing. Hope you love this. Yes, it's too awesome. It's too awesome. You can see the walkway, different one. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. This is what my people have done. Yes, you can see. Amen.
My Father, my God, when nothing is there, you